Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying version and OS compatibility so you avoid incompatible fixes. Back up your My Places file and custom imagery to preserve work. This prevents data loss while you repair. Once backed up, fully close Google Earth Pro and pause antivirus or firewall interference temporarily so installers can run cleanly. Make sure you have at least 1 GB free disk space and admin rights. That lets you run repair tools and installer updates without permission errors. Now proceed to the installer step. Start the installer for your exact Google Earth Pro build or use the built-in repair from control panel to replace corrupted components. Before reinstalling, clear the disk and memory cache from Tools options to remove stale tiles that cause crashes and wonky rendering. Once caches are cleared, run the installer as administrator. Selecting Repair first preserves settings and overlays. If Repair doesn't resolve it, perform a full reinstall after exporting settings. Keep notes of any error codes you see for targeted troubleshooting later. After Repair or reinstall, launch Google Earth Pro and verify key features: 3D view, search, and imported overlays. Restore your backed up My Places and imagery folders if they did not reappear, and then check that projection and imagery settings match your previous configuration. If crashes or rendering errors persist, reset preferences to default, which removes corrupted config entries. Then reapply custom settings one at a time to isolate the issue. If that fails, collect application logs and exact error messages so support can diagnose the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.